Hello guys, welcome back with another video. In this video we will fix two-factor code or any other code not received in your phone. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, click and hold on Facebook, click on app info and click on force stop. Okay, after this click on storage and cache and clear cache. So go back, open your settings, click on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So after this go back and check your SIM card and mobile data, and check your mobile data is enabled if Wi-Fi is not connected. Then go back and after doing all the steps restart your mobile phone. So click and hold the power button and click on restart. So when your mobile restarted, the Facebook code will be in your phone. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.